Welcome back to Phone Transformer. Today I'll show you how to transfer apps with SHAREit Lite, and I'll guide you through each step so you can transfer apps quickly and easily. Now let's get started. Step 1. Open the SHAREit Lite app on your device. This lightweight version loads fast and gives you a simple interface for sharing apps and files. Step 2. Tap Send. This option tells the app that your device will act as the sender during the transfer. Step 3, go to the App tab. This section displays all the apps installed on your phone, making it easy to choose what you want to share. Step 4, select the app you want to transfer. Tapping the app adds it to the sending list and prepares it for sharing. Step 5, tap Send. This starts the connection process and gets your device ready to link with your friend's phone. Step 6, on your friend's device, open the SHAREit Lite app. Their device must also have the app running to receive your transfer. Step 7, tap Receive. This puts the receiving phone into detection mode so it can connect with the sender. Step 8, scan your friend's QR code to connect. Scanning the code creates a fast and secure connection between both devices. Step 9, tap the avatar to connect if scanning is not preferred. This alternative method lets you connect by simply selecting the device shown on the screen. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to Phone Transformer for more helpful guides.